in the world of high cuisine. Few words carry the weight of Wagyu. The name conjures images of delicate marbling, a buttery texture, and prices that rival rare jewels. But behind this prestige lies a question few people ask. Is all Wagyu truly Wagyu? The term literally means Japanese cattle. In Japan, it refers to 4 specific breeds: Japanese black, Japanese brown, Japanese shorthorn, and Japanese. Among these, the Japanese black is primarily responsible for the intense marbling that made Wagyu. For decades, these bloodlines were carefully controlled, shaped by geography, rigorous genetic selection, and strict agricultural standards. After World War II, Japan rebuilt its cattle industry with incredibly high standards. By the 1980s, Wagyu was already a symbol of refinement and national pride. To protect its reputation, the country implemented detailed classification systems. The highest grade, A5, evaluates both the yield and the quality of the meat, considering marbling, color, firmness, and fat quality. Only cuts that precisely meet all these criteria receive this coveted designation. Outside of Japan, however, the story takes a different turn. In 1976, a small number of Wagyu cattle were exported to the United States. In the 1990s, more genetic material was sent abroad until Japan eventually banned new exports of live animals. In other countries, these animals were crossbred with local breeds, like Angus. The result was a meat with some Wagyu genetics, but not always the same characteristics as cattle raised and graded within Japan. In many countries, regulations allow the term Wagyu to be used for meat with only partial ancestry from the original Japanese bloodlines. Meanwhile, phrases like Japanese Wagyu or regional names like Kobe are protected and require strict certification in Japan. Today, a consumer can find purebred, crossbred Wagyu, or cattle raised outside of Japan, all sold under the same seductive name. The illusion isn't that Wagyu doesn't exist, but that the word alone guarantees its origin, purity, or grade. True Japanese A5 Wagyu remains rare, traceable, and rigidly controlled. The rest might be excellent meat, but it tells a different story. In the end, the difference isn't just in the marbling, but in the lineage, the legislation, and the quiet precision of a system created to protect a national treasure. Thanks for watching, and if you learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.